Hello, so it's Andrea Jueong again, and today we are going to be talking about one of the easiest side hustles I have recently discovered. And I'm sharing any kind of side hustle if it works for other people, and if I tested it myself and see success with it, you bet I'm going to bring it to you. So, you guys, I literally just started this easy side hustle, and literally just 2 days doing it, I received $200 commission. And now, because I started this training, I'm making unlimited $200 commission over and over and over again, simply by posting faceless videos. So, what actually is this crazy side hustle? So, it's called the Easy Phone Money System. Yes, it's super simple. It's literally for the people who are very busy and want to make extra cash online, but they don't have the time to setting up their own website or their own funnels or anything like that. They just simply want to ready, all done for you system. You just easily plug in. It takes 10 to 15 minutes and you can be up and running and start collecting $200 commission over and over again for the rest of your life. It's that easy. So let me show you what we actually talking about. So I'm going to share the screen, and this is the Easy Phone Money System, you guys. It's the easiest side hustle in a history, literally. So you can build a massive following and monetize on any social media, but today I want to specifically focus on TikTok, because TikTok has been trending and it's been proven it works for thousands of people out there. And if you stay consistent with any kind of content out there, you will see a huge success. So again, you can use this anywhere on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, but on TikTok, it's been proven it really, really works. And again, you don't even have to tell anyone you are doing the side hustle, because it's very hard to find you on TikTok. So if you decide to do this easy side hustle, no one even has to know you are running an online business posting faceless content. So in this case, it's anonymous and it's faceless, and you just select a video from the content bank the Easy Phone Money System gonna give you. They're gonna give you unlimited content, so you can literally choose anywhere between funny children video, funny cats video, funny animals, news clips, any kind of content you can think of, it's in here. So you simply pick the video, you copy it, and you post it into your channel, and that's it. And that's why this easy side hustle takes only 5 to 10 minutes, and you literally can go on with your day and collect unlimited $200 commission over and over again. So we recommend posting 3 pieces of content on your channel. So you copy video in the morning, then I would copy another video in the afternoon, and one more video at the night. Simply copy and paste. You don't have to add any writings over it. You don't have to do any hashtags if you don't want to. You'll simply just post these videos, and you're going to start collecting $200 commission over and over again. So you can actually make $200 to $800 a day just easily using the Easy Phone Money System. So you may be asking how anyone can get massive exposure and build huge following and get traffic from TikTok. Again, simply just by posting and being active and being consistent. So it's literally that easy. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. And I'm also going to show you how you can easily monetize and make money from that free exposure, which is posting content we're going to give you on your new social media platform on TikTok. So TikTok likes to be entertained, right? We like to entertain people. So more funnier video you have, then more people you're probably going to attract to you. So pick something people like to watch, like news clips or funny videos or something like that from the bank, unlimited content bank this program is giving you. Okay, so no need to be creative, because all these videos are already ready to go, done for you. So you just simply copy and paste. So look at Bob. This is my friend Bob, and he's actually the founder and the creator of this amazing program. So Bob has almost 6,000 followers, and he was able to grow this channel literally just in few days. You guys, we talking like 4 days. Okay, he started posting this content and his channel started gaining followers because, again, people love to watch news, right? So he started sharing in news clips and he started gaining followers. Then people started watching his videos and they're like, oh my gosh, I love what this guy has to say. So they start clicking his profile and notice over here, he has the secret link. This is what the program's going to give you. The program's going to give you the secret link. You can actually plug in into your content, into your TikTok, and start collecting unlimited $200 commission. So look at Bob. He has the $800 in here. How is that possible? Because 4 people look at his profile and like what they saw, they purchased this easy phone money system, and Bob collected $800 commission. Now, Bob is collecting even $3,000 because once you are member inside of the easy phone money system, we teach you how you can actually monetize and start collecting big money like $3,000 like Bob in here. So again, right here, notice he has an ad, which is the secret link in his bio. People watch the video, like what they see, then they check out the profile, like I said, and they simply purchase the easy phone money system. So if you're interested, and so far, if you like what you see, click the link down in below, down in description. There is a secret link. It will take you immediately to the training. And this is the training. This is what you're gonna get once you pay the one-time $297. It's only $297. And you guys, $200 goes to you every time someone purchases this program, and $97 goes to the company because they work on your behalf. They send you the leads, they close the sales, they send out emails on your behalf. They do the work for you. So that's why you only need to copy and paste the videos and spend only 15 minutes a day on this easy side hustle. So this is the training. And right here is your $200 secret link. So you click on that and you simply just go here and copy the link and post it to your profile. Now, here is the TikTok training. So introduction, and this is literally for someone who doesn't even know how to use TikTok at all. So if you already experienced, fine, you can just skip these first 2 steps. But right here, you have the unlimited library content. This is where your content is coming from. So you're simply going to come here and you copy the video you want and you paste it to your TikTok or to any kind of social media platform if you want to. But like I said, this works literally everywhere. It works on Instagram, it works on Facebook. So you don't have to do TikTok if you don't want to. But I really like to share this specific training on TikTok because it's just, I don't know, it's easier to go to TikTok for fun comedy videos or news clips or something like that. And again, here is just easy video showing you how to do it. I'm not going to show you, I'm not going to give this away because that's specifically for members who purchase this program, and tips and tricks to be successful. And you guys, right here, the tips and tricks, this is for someone if you're brand new and you don't have a clickable link up in a bio because you need 1,000 followers in order to do that. Now, this training show you literally how to be monetized from the very beginning. You literally are brand new, you posted first video, and you're gonna have immediately clickable link on the top. So this, it will right here, the tricks and tips will explain exactly how you can do that. You can direct your potential customers immediately to you. You don't have to be worried about not having clickable link because this training is going to show you how you actually can do that. So it's absolutely amazing. Here is Bob explaining the program, and here is again monetize your account from the day one. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is where it's going to show you how you can put your secret link up there and make it clickable immediately. And again, here is the easy training. Now, right here, you have the potential to make, like I said earlier, more with this program. But again, this is for just the members. Once you're already inside of this program, you have the potential to do paid advertising And this makes sense for someone who's already established. So they can actually send you a bunch of leads. So you literally will be making up to big money, like 3,000, 2,000, dollars in one day. So once you start going, this is for you, okay? And literally, it's that simple. It's that simple. And of course, you can take the training and apply to promote anything you want on TikTok, right? But 99 people do not have existing product to promote. So this is where Easy Phone Money System comes in place, because immediately when you get this program, you actually gonna have something to promote, so you can generate $200 over and over and over again. But again, this works with any products. If you already have a website promoting any kind of product with high ticket product, then you can just start making very big money. But most people don't have that. So here is Easy Phone Money System, only $297. Like I said earlier, $200 goes to you and $97 goes to the company, because they work on your behalf. They bringing you leads, they send out the emails, they close out the sales. You just simply have to post 3 videos a day. It's literally that simple. So if you like what you see, literally, this is one of the easiest side hustle out there, and it literally can start working for a brand new person who doesn't have any experiences. You simply start your TikTok, start posting the videos you choose from the bank we give you. So like I said, it's unlimited content bank with all kinds of videos, and new videos are being added every single day. So you can succeed in an online space and just stay consistent and watch the money coming in. So again, if you're interested, get your Easy Phone Money System down and below. You can have immediate access. And I will be back soon with another tips and tricks how to make money online. So you guys, make sure you subscribe and follow me for the next video coming up soon. Bye.